Hey there, lovely viewers! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I've got an amazing recipe for you. Garlicky and green bean salad with a spicy chili sauce. It's a flavor explosion you won't want to miss, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's get those green beans cooked to perfection. In a pot of boiling water with a pinch of salt and sesame oil, pop in those green beans. We're looking at just 3 minutes here, quick and easy. Now, once our vibrant green beans are cooked, give them a refreshing ice-cold bath. It keeps them crisp and beautifully green. While those beans cool off, let's whip up our spicy chili sauce. Crush some garlic cloves. I'm talking real garlicky goodness. Tear those chili peppers into pieces and don't be shy, we want that heat. To this flavor party, we're adding some vinegar, soy sauce, a drizzle of sesame oil, a kick of chili oil, a pinch of salt, and a touch of sugar. Mix it all up until it's a spicy, savory symphony. Back to our chilled green beans, they're just waiting to soak up that saucy goodness. Pour it all over and give it a good mix. Every bean should be coated in this amazing flavor. And there you have it, folks. Our garlicky green bean salad with spicy chili sauce is ready to rock your taste buds. Trust me, it's a sensation. Go ahead, give it a try and let me know how it turns out. As always, thank you for joining me in the kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a mouth-watering recipe. Until next time, happy cooking!